Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, November 4th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having muffin and sausage. For lunch, we're having a hot dog. Tomorrow for breakfast, Pop-Tart and cereal. For lunch, sub sandwich. Announcements. Please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Copies. Our copy costs have increased drastically. Please utilize Print Shop as much as possible. Pre-planning is key. If the copier usage remains high, we will have to cap the number of copies for each teacher. Late duty today is Miss Wolf. Tomorrow is Miss Arch. Our word of the day is place value. Place value is the value a digit has because of its place in a number. So depending on where the number lives, where the digit lives, it could represent hundreds, tens, or ones. So a 3 in the hundreds place represents 3 hundreds. A 4 in the tens place represents 40. A 2 in the ones place represents just 2 ones. Important dates. Tomorrow, students and teachers that filled out the survey for the ESSER grant will get Jeans passes. November 10th, we have reading and math PLTs. November 11th, we have no school for Veterans Day. November 12th, World Kindness Day, and the budget survey is due from the email that was sent from central office. November 18th, we have an HMH representative visiting. And November 22nd through 26th will be Thanksgiving break. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.